Today, next topic is location and layout of hospital pharmacy. We discuss these 7 points. Easily approachable, located on ground floor, sub-department, well-furnished sitting facilities, educative and informative material, reflect positive image. We discuss in detail these 8 points under the heading of location and layout of hospital pharmacy. Hospital pharmacy should be located in such a place which is easily approachable for all departments for smooth functioning or smooth service. Second, preferably it should be located on ground floor to avoid inconvenience to the person utilizing the service of pharmacy. Third point, sub-departments. The sub-departments like inpatient, outpatient, manufacturing, store, dispensing, etc. should be laid down in such a manner to continuous flow of men and material. It should be vertically separated. It should be vertically separated. Next, the outpatient pharmacy should be well furnished to give pleasant look for the visitor. Then it should be provided proper sitting facilities for waiting patients. It should display educative or which gives some informations regarding any disease, regarding safety measures. So educative and informative poster and charts should be displayed regarding health issues. Last one, it should reflect positive image from outpatient department. Visitor should have positive image of the pharmacy. So here is some points which discuss about its location and layout of hospital pharmacy. Along with this, floor space requirement for hospital pharmacy. Floor space. It depends upon the 3 factors mainly: the number of beds, second, number and type of sub-department, third, number and type of outpatient. Minimum requirement laid down in Schedule M and Cosmetic Act 1940. The pharmacy requires a minimum of 250 square feet for any hospital, but it can be vary according to number of beds or according to number of departments. Here is one table which reflect the square feet area department wise and number of beds. First is compounding and dispensing. For 50 beds hospital, it requires 205 square feet area. For 100 bed hospital, it requires 320 square feet area. For 200 beds, it requires 500 square feet area. If parenteral department is there, it requires For 100 bed hospital 185 square feet, and for 200 beds 200 square feet area. And the next department is storage. If there is any storage for 100 bed hospital and 200 bed hospital, it requires 125 and 200 respectively square feet area. Manufacturing, if there is any manufacturing unit in the hospital, it is for the 200 bedded hospital, it requires 120 square feet area. Office and labs, it requires for 200 bedded hospital 105 square feet area. And circulation area, where the men and material easily can be flow or circulate, it requires only for 200 bed hospital 60 square feet area. So this is the table which reflect the department wise and according to the number of beds, square feet area requirement, floor space requirement for hospital pharmacy. Thank you.